Food hacks for diabetics. One slice of this white bread will spike your blood sugar more than a sweet will. So your baseline with the glycemic index is 55. Anything below 55 is considered low GI. So that's good for food with diabetics. While anything above 55 is considered high. That means it goes into the blood and the glucose very quickly. So here is something to compare. Cherries are about 26 on the glycemic index. So cherries are good for diabetics. Grapefruit is also very low, around 25. So where does the sugar sit? Sugar, whether it's white, tan, brown, or black, sits around 63. But this isn't a surprise. How about wheat? Any guesses where wheat sits? Let's start with refined white bread and white pasta. So we'll call it the white wheat. We call that around 69. So that one slice of white bread will get your blood sugar up higher than any sweet. And how many of these is a combination of any two, sugar and whites? There's your donuts, your cookies, your biscuits, your cakes. If you're going to a cake shop, anything is a combination of these two. This next little bit of information is absolutely shocking. If you have a whole meal, where does that sit on the glycemic index? A whole meal sits at a whopping 72. So you may want to control your blood sugar. There are 3 foods that keep food in your stomach longer. Fiber builds up the glucose and slowly releases it into your bloodstream. Protein is specifically broken down in your stomach, and fat coats the food a bit. So it takes a little bit longer to break down. And this is good news because that means you don't have to be eating all day long. We can eat and forget about the foods for the next 5 to 6 hours. So if you want to control your blood sugar, start with these 3 staples: fiber, proteins, and fats, specifically in that order. The more you know.